How to confirm the tire size. The traditional sizing system is based on the measurement of the outside diameter of the tire. This is usually done in inches, 26 inches, 27 inches, etc., or in centimeters, 650,700 c, etc. This one, for example, 24 is the circumference of the tire, and 2.5 is the width of the tire. The ISO system uses two numbers. The first is the width of the tire, or rim in millimeters. The actual width of the tire varies a little depending on the width of the rim. The rim width measures the distance between the rim edges. The second ISO number is a key number, the diameter of the rim hub base in millimeters. In the ISO standard in the legal system, 60-507 mm units, 61 represents the width of the tire, 507 represents the tire circumference. Similarly, this tire is 26 inches, 1.95 inches wide, and the right side is ISO standard with 47 mm wide and 559 mm circumference. This is a 16 inches tire, 2.125 width, followed by the ISO standard size. There is a standard tire width that each rim can match. When the tire width is too small, the tire will leak air. If it's too big, the tire will crack, exposing the inner tube.